Turmeric is a spice that comes from the turmeric plant, which is native to Southeast Asia. It has been used for medicinal purposes for centuries and is known for its bright yellow color and distinctive flavor. Turmeric contains a compound called curcumin, which has been shown to have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. In addition to its use in cooking, turmeric has been used in traditional medicine to treat a variety of health issues, such as joint pain, digestive issues, and skin problems. Turmeric has a rich history dating back thousands of years, with evidence of its use in ancient Indian and Chinese medicine. It has also played a significant role in Hindu and Buddhist religious ceremonies. Today, turmeric is widely recognized for its health benefits and is commonly used as a natural remedy for a variety of ailments. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound that has been shown to have anti-inflammatory effects. Turmeric has been used traditionally to relieve joint pain and stiffness. Studies suggest that turmeric may have cognitive enhancing effects. Turmeric may improve blood flow and reduce inflammation, potentially reducing the risk of heart disease. Turmeric may help regulate blood sugar levels by improving insulin sensitivity. Studies suggest that turmeric has anti-cancer properties. Turmeric may alleviate symptoms of depression. Turmeric may reduce the risk of Alzheimer's disease. Turmeric may alleviate symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, such as abdominal pain and bloating. Turmeric has been traditionally used to improve skin health and may reduce inflammation and acne. Turmeric may alleviate symptoms of psoriasis, such as redness and scaling. Turmeric may alleviate symptoms of eczema, such as itching and redness. Turmeric may improve liver function and reduce the risk of liver disease. Turmeric may improve digestion by increasing bile production. Turmeric has been traditionally used to relieve headaches. Turmeric may alleviate symptoms of osteoarthritis, such as pain and stiffness. Turmeric may reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes by improving insulin sensitivity. Turmeric may improve oral health by reducing inflammation and plaque. Studies suggest that turmeric may reduce the risk of certain types of cancer, such as breast, colon, and prostate cancer. Turmeric may improve cardiovascular health by reducing inflammation and improving blood flow. Turmeric may alleviate symptoms of asthma, such as wheezing and shortness of breath. Turmeric may improve liver function by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress. Turmeric may improve kidney function by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress. Turmeric may improve immune function by reducing inflammation and increasing antioxidant activity. Turmeric may alleviate symptoms of menstrual cramps, such as pain and discomfort. Turmeric may improve bone health by increasing bone density and reducing inflammation. Turmeric may alleviate symptoms of allergies, such as sneezing and itching. Turmeric may improve liver detoxification by increasing antioxidant activity. Turmeric may improve sleep by reducing inflammation and improving cognitive function. Turmeric may improve vision by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress in the eyes. Turmeric may help alleviate symptoms of rheumatoid arthritis, such as joint pain and inflammation. Turmeric may improve skin elasticity and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Turmeric may help reduce the risk of certain types of cancer, such as skin and lung cancer. Turmeric may help alleviate symptoms of chronic fatigue syndrome, such as exhaustion and muscle pain. Turmeric may help reduce inflammation in the body, which may improve overall immune function. Turmeric may help improve liver function by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation in the liver. Turmeric may help improve symptoms of irritable bowel disease, IBD, such as ulcerative colitis and Crohn's disease. Turmeric may help reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety in individuals with major depressive disorder. Turmeric may help reduce symptoms of irritable bladder syndrome, such as urinary frequency and urgency. Turmeric may help reduce symptoms of chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD, such as shortness of breath and coughing. Turmeric may help reduce symptoms of endometriosis, such as pelvic pain and cramping. Turmeric may help improve skin health by reducing the appearance of scars and improving wound healing. Turmeric may help improve cognitive function in older adults, particularly in the areas of memory and attention. Turmeric may help reduce symptoms of osteoporosis, such as bone loss and fractures. Turmeric may help reduce symptoms of fibromyalgia, such as pain and fatigue. Turmeric may help reduce symptoms of metabolic syndrome, such as high blood pressure, high blood sugar, and abdominal obesity. Turmeric may help reduce symptoms of chronic kidney disease, such as high blood pressure and proteinuria. Turmeric may help improve symptoms of diabetic neuropathy, such as nerve pain and tingling in the hands and feet. Turmeric may help reduce symptoms of chronic inflammation in individuals with autoimmune diseases such as lupus and multiple sclerosis.